Welcome to Techno India Group Public School, Phone Nagar. I am the faculty member of this organization. Today, we are very glad to announce that our school has arranged such a wonderful program for vaccinating all the students of age group between 15 to 18 years. This campus and this camp will be available in our school for next 3 days, that is 13th, 14th and 15th January 2022. So we are very glad today, we are very happy today to organize this vaccination camp in our school premises. So today I am going to show you what are the safety measures the school has taken for the teachers, students and as well as for the parents. So let's follow now, guys.
Public School Kodnagar unit, really we have been getting lot of queries from the parents since 2021 academic session whether school could arrange the vaccination for their kids or not. But today we are really excited to share with you that with the help of Navagram Gram Panchayat, the district administration and district health department deputed Kanaipur Primary Health Center to have vaccination for our students as per government guidelines from the age group of 15 to 18 years. It is really a boost for our students in particular and all the students in the country in general. We hope this initiative of government will definitely boost towards physical operation of the schools from new academic sessions, as our students are really in bad shape in during last 2 years just at their home. So this vaccination definitely not only boost the physical operation of the schools but also boost the confidence of the parents that at least the children are got vaccinated, safe and secure while they will be attending the schools. Though our school is well equipped, well managed, the COVID protocols as per government guidelines, and we believe everybody is secure and safe in school campus once they stepped in our school campus. We have organized the facilities in such a way students will have access to touchless soap dispenser, touchless sanitizer dispenser. Social distancing is our practical motto. We provide mask, we provide head shield. Every arrangement we do have, starting from sanitizing twice every day, fumigations in all the rooms. So this is how if the Techno India Group Public School Kodnagar unit has arranged such kind of COVID protocol. I believe now parents must have confidence to send their children as per government's policy to the schools to get into physical classroom with proper teaching learning. Though we have been delivering our teaching learning the best with our own LMS system, starting from co-curricular activity, academics, assessment, everything. So again, I should thank Anubrata Bhattacharya and her team and all my staff members, including our office staff, who has really managed the successful operation of camp is being scheduled today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow for the students of 15 to 18 age group, and even we have given opportunity to the students of class 8 who attend the age group of 15 plus. So again I thank you Kanaipur Health Center and their team, district administration Navagram Gram Panchayat and District Health Authority for their tremendous support to conduct this vaccination camp at Techno India Group Public School, Karnagar unit. Thank you.
Team from the Government of India Medical Department, they have came today in our school for this total vaccination process. They are going to assist us. So please come inside now. Please take your chairs. Has been. For any emergency, she is available in our school campus during this total vaccination process. She is available with us. Thank you so much. So, madam, please. See the registration counter of our school. So students have came. What is your name? Which section? Which class?
Class 12 non-medical.
Class 12 non-medical. So he is our first student to be vaccinated in our school campus. Okay, you can carry on. After that, we will take him to the waiting room inside. Please come inside. So you can see students sitting here, maintaining a social distance. So they are going to wait here. After that, one by one, they will be called for the vaccination process. Please have your chair. This is our vaccination room where one by one students will come to vaccinate themselves. Please come inside. After vaccination, the students are going to wait in this room for half an hour, 30 minutes under the observation of the medical practitioner who is present in our school also. So he is under observation now in this room.
My name is Sushrut Mukherjee. I read in Techno India Group Public School, Nagar. I read in class 10 and today I have been vaccinated. And the center is in this school only, and the procedure was also very smooth, and I am feeling well after taking the vaccination.
পাবলিক স্কুলে এই 15 থেকে 18 বছর বয়সীদের ভ্যাকসিনেশনের যে প্রচেষ্টা তাতে আমরা ভীষণভাবে উপকৃত।
Introduce you all with Miss Anubrata Bhattacharya Madam. She is the coordinator head, senior coordinator of our school, cultural head, and of course the head of the total COVID management system in our school. So madam, we request you to speak few inspirational words for our viewers.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I'm happily announcing that our school has taken initiative for vaccination camp, not for today onwards only. From the last 2 years, we are doing so nicely. In organized way, we are doing all the work, and our team is given full effort for that work. And so I am telling to all, please do not panic, do not worry, be vaccinated and be happy.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much.
So meet our public management team with their full support. We are working together so nicely, so securely.
How Techno India Group Public School Navagram is conducting the total vaccination process in the school premises. So I request all of you to don't worry, don't panic, be happy, stay safe and get vaccinated. Thank you so much.